I got it.
Okay. All right, Ethan, you see down there where there is that supply?
Yeah.
See if I can get a light on it. I'll use another picture. But that supply comes up and the water is going to come up through the middle. When the water comes up through the middle, it's going to hit this valve. Now, right now, I'm going to close it so you can actually see. Okay, it's closed. So when that water comes up, this is your ceramic valve. You see how that valve's closed?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that red area right here is the seal. Okay, so that seal is gonna be seated like this. It's gonna seal over that supply. Screw it in. When water comes up and this valve is closed, that ceramic valve is the white in the middle. It's also the white on the sides. That's gonna close. When this is open, just gonna open it real fast. Okay, when this is open, it is right now, you see daylight coming through. Let's spin around, I see daylight on the other side. So the valve will be open on the bottom and it will also be open on the sides. That means water is allowed to come through. When water is allowed to come through, out through that supply and through this valve, it can then go back down around that supply line. And when it goes down the supply line, it will then come up through and into this waterfall faucet.
Oh,
and the water will come out that way.
I get it now.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.